In this video I will show how to delete an index by ID. Let me first make small walk around through the code. I created one more method which is delete doc, and I pass the object, the index name, the index ID, and for the response I am using the delete method, and I am adding delete parts with index ID, and here I have to provide the index name and index ID. I have to send the request and to await for the response and return the response. And here is the implementation in my main file, and here I want to just take a note. We can make a deletion by query, not only by ID. You can see we can delete by query, we can delete query retrieval, and here we can add some delete script, but for the sake of the tutorial and to be simple, I am using delete by ID. And here let me show more code. Here I have the response body from the search. Here, response. And after that I am taking the response body, I'm printing the response body, and here I'm taking all the response hits, which are the products. Yeah, let me just rename that. Products hits, and it's a vector of value. And to take one hit, because I'm pretty sure that I will have only one hit, one result, I'm taking the first one and I'm cloning it, and here I want to show something more. Here I created one struct which is as hit with ID, which is string, and here I'm using from CRD deserialize and serialize to be able to deserialize this JSON response as a hit. And here I'm printing the hit ID, and here you can see I am passing to the delete doc method the index name and the hit ID, reference to the hit ID. So let me just comment that, because I already deleted when I checked this code, this document. Okay, let me create the document. Okay. And you can see we have a panic because we don't have any hits. And let me just comment again the adding the document. Okay. You can see we have one result with ID. Okay, and let's uncomment deleting. And you can see the response from the delete request is successful. So that is the code related to deleting a doc. Thank you for the attention.